Have you been thinking about purchasing a new construction home but aren't sure where to start? On today's video, we're going to walk you through the ins and outs of the new construction purchase process and give you more information on everything that you need to do to make sure you're well prepared when walking in the front door of that model home. The first thing that you're going to want to do when it comes to purchasing a new construction home is narrow down the community that you want to live in. This includes looking for things like schools, amenities, location, convenience to and from work, parks, churches, anything that is important to you that can be dictated by the location of the community that you live in, as well as ease of access, traffic, and all of the other things that involve driving around the community and getting in and out of the community at the times when you may travel. Once you've selected your community, it's important to interview each of the builders in that community to see what their product offerings are. This can include looking at all of their price points, the floor plan offerings, as well as the home site sizes to make sure that you find a plan within your price point that goes on a home site that works for you and your family. This is incredibly important because you don't want to spend time looking at homes that are either under or over your budget. This allows you to invest time with builders and homes that work for you. One of the other important things when it comes to selecting a builder is finding one that meets the energy efficiency standards that you expect as a consumer today. Find a builder who builds above code when it comes to energy efficiency. Maybe one that uses 2x6 walls or that uses advanced framing. These are all key things that can make your home live happier and healthier for you and your family. Okay, so you've selected a builder. The next step is to find a floor plan and home site that work for you. This is where you're going to want to sit down with your sales consultant and explore the options for different floor plans that meet your criteria, whether this be 3, 4, 5 bedroom, 2.5 to 4.5 bath with a media room and a 3-car garage, or maybe the most important thing to you is the home site which the plan sits on. You want to look at the plat map or home site map and select a site that works best for you and what you're looking for. Once you've selected your plan and your home site, this is where we move on to paperwork, flex option selections, and deposits. Let's start with the flex option selections. Flex options are going to be the structural options for your home that determine how it lays out. This may be things like an oversized shower, doors on the study, adding a 3rd bay or a 4th bay onto the garage. Anything structural that changes the way your blueprints lay out and affect the engineering and architecture of your home. Once you've selected your structural options, now you're going to move on to the paperwork. The paperwork is a simplified term for signing your purchase agreement or contract documents. This is where the builder is going to lay out all of the terms and conditions for the build process. Most builders will also give you a detailed list of things that are important for you to know, both about them as a builder, the way that they work you through the entire build process from design center to closing, and some information about local taxes and utility information. All right, now that you've signed your purchase agreement, it's time to move on to the deposits. Deposits work a few different ways, but in general, you're going to have an earnest money deposit, a structural option deposit, and a design center deposit. At the time of the purchase agreement, generally the earnest money deposit as well as the structural option deposits are going to be due. These can normally be paid via check, debit card, or online bank transfer. All right, your deposits are paid. Congratulations. Time to shake hands, put a sold sign in the ground, and you are now on your way to building a new construction home. In future videos, we're going to go through the process of design, pre-construction, pre-drywall, and all the other meetings that you'll go through, but this is the first step on your way to becoming a new construction homeowner. Congratulations, and go ahead and if you received value from this video, like and subscribe down below. Leave us a comment if you have any questions or if you have a topic you'd like me to cover in future videos.